Hello children, I hope you all are good. Today I am going to teach you page number 16 and 29. In this page you will get lots of dots which we have to make monkey's face by joining of the some dots. Okay, first we have to count here. First we have to count from here. You can see 1, 2, 3. 3 dots are left here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. After these point dots, I have to count here also. As you can see 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. From here to here. You have to match like this. Same you have to count here also, second line. As you can see, first dot is here, after second dot it is like this. Same this side also. Then we have to draw like this. Okay, as you can see, again I am going to do here to here, here to here, same here also. Next I will do here. Next I will do here. Then from here to here I will match. Okay, next I will do here. As you can see, here to here. Okay, next here to here, here, same this side also. Then here, next here. Then next you have to match your a line from this dot to this dot here also. As you can see here. Next from here to here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. This side also. 1, 2, 3. Okay, then next I will do here. This side also. Okay, then next this point, this dot. Here also this dot. Okay, next 1, 2, second dot, second line, second dot. 1, 2, 3, no, third dot I have to match from this, not this line, this line. Okay, wait, no, you have to do this here only, here. Okay, and this 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 here. Okay, then we have to match. Next 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Next I will do here. Okay, as you can see, 2 dot 3 is here and 2 is here. 1 2 is here, 1 2 is here. From here to here, then next here, here. Okay, next I will do eyes. For eyes you have to do and middle you have to do little oval shape. One shot oval shape you have to do. Okay, and down for second. It is here first line, this one is second line. As you can see, you can fill with your black color also. I'm doing here with pencil. You can do also with pencil. If you want to color, then you can fill color by your choice. Okay, next I'm going to page number 29. In this page we will get lots of sticker of face, which we have to remove from here and we have to stick here in this page according to this face size. Okay, I am removing like this. So this one is not this side. I think this one is this size. Yeah. Oh, you want one. Again we have to search which size this one is. As you can see, again I have to search which size. No. This one is, this is this face. This one is small. very slowly you have to remove. Okay, so for this face, and now this page is finished. And here you have to stick your family photograph. If you don't have family photographs, then you can stick passport size photos also. Okay, bye bye children.